We as a part of NHF always believed in innovations that can make compelling yet beneficial changes in the future. Natural Herbs and Formulations Private Limited was established in the year 2002 at the foothills of Himalayan range, Uttarakhand. With a vision of producing high-quality products and achieving sustainable development by adopting practical system with a combination of the curated approach, well-trained staff, and scientific equipments.
Myself is Sahab Singh Pundir and I'm the founder of this Natural Herbs and Formulations.
Our products are manufactured at our production facilities located in 22 Raipur, Bhagwanpur, Roorkee. We have a strict supply evaluation system to ensure that the raw materials we use are the best available. We apply the principle of lean manufacturing and invest time, resources, and efforts in continuous quality improvement. We work with our clients from India and various countries from all over the world to identify their challenges and solve them through a combination of research-based natural products and technical services, achieving a healthier, lucrative and sustainable farming operation to manufacture organically safe yet effective products for the welfare of humans and animals while combining co-ethical values of Ayurveda to employ creative, dynamic and energetic approaches in order to improve performance and provide value-added services to our customers, to adopt environmental friendly practices by minimizing the use of unnecessary chemicals or preservatives in our products. We assure our customers the quality of our services. We focus on adding value and satisfaction to our customers. Our major goal is to contribute to a hygienic, nutritious and a sustainable food chain. We have adopted a practical approach in designing a solution for the needs of our clients and are focused on creating products that can prevent or reduce severity of diseases and maximize the productivity.
हम किसी भी जीव के बीमार होने से पहले, इससे पहले कि वो मेडिसिन की उसको आवश्यकता हो, हम उसको यदि वो चीज़ें रूटीन में खिलाते रहेंगे एज ए न्यूट्रिशनल सप्लीमेंट तो निश्चित रूप से उसको फायदा होता है। उसी बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम लोगों ने नेचुरल एंड आयुर्वेदिक सप्लीमेंट्स के ऊपर सबसे पहले कार्य प्रारंभ किया। प्रोडक्ट्स हम लोग बनाते हैं यहाँ, वो दुनिया के 50-60 से भी अधिक देशों के अंदर, कंट्रीज के अंदर हम लोग उनको एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं। नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, ऑल यूरोप, मिडिल ईस्ट, लैटिन अमेरिका, अमेरिका, इवन सम पार्ट ऑफ अफ्रीका, वो सभी लोग आज किसी भी केमिकल कंपाउंड को यूज करने से बेटर नेचुरल कंपाउंड उनको कोई मिलता है, नेचुरल थेरेपी कोई मिलती है, नेचुरल मेडिसिन कोई मिलती है, उसका उपयोग करना अधिक पसंद करते हैं। उसके पीछे एक लॉजिक ये भी है कि आयुर्वेदिक मेडिसिन, आई मीन द हर्बल मेडिसिन, having no side effects at all.
We focus on clearly defined areas where we can contribute to healthier lives. In animal nutrition and health, we produce feed supplements for livestock, poultry, marine and pets. Out of all products, 70% are exported and 30% are for domestic sales. The product range includes feed supplements, production enhancers, immunomodulators, vitamin supplements, API and essential oils. Ranking among the leading companies of animal and human health, our products are in a general demand in Indian as well as the global market. We have domestic sales team which operates in almost every major region of Indian market. At present, we export to more than 40 countries among the globe. food supplements and additives category falls under a brand Himalaya to Home Organics, which is registered under FPO, that is Farmer Producer Organization, which specializes in organic food essentials. In sector of bioenergy, we have a biocoal and biogas plant which utilizes secondary byproducts of our oil extraction unit as a raw material. Our other expansions include Pulastya Group, which was started in 2015 with an investment of 100 crores. It includes poultry farm in Satpura, Uttar Pradesh and Pulastya Resort in Bhagwanpur, Roorkee. Pulastya Farm focuses on breeding and rearing of broilers and breeders for egg and meat production in a sustainable way.
We believe the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. And to expand our business and our reach, we are entering in the public domain. By the end of 2023, we are launching our IPO.
We believe together we can bring revolutionary changes by creating more jobs in community and by transforming health and energy sector, and we welcome all who share our vision for a better and a healthier future.